Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagwan, place up first and foremost. I will on there with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs. So subscribe if for your first time over your sub on the channel, is it? Anyways, guys, so we kick it off with Iwaata and the new Benz cup. Yeah, and it's a good look. I just want to say congratulations end of the day, cause a long time the dog do it. And it just look good, you can't work for now. It's a good achievement, said we more to come. And so we pray life, don't it? Yeah, because Rome never built in a one day, right? There's a peep, so Khanice Jackson. Yeah, farewell, we want to say to her, and I don't know deep side end of the day. So a carriage of Johnny's body, I don't know, the 20-year-old girl. It's in the part, so the funeral and thing. I think that was held at with a person named Perry's Funeral Home in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Ezime, guys, so Ezime. Rest in peace, princess. I feel it said way to my heart, man. Ezime. Yeah, man, guys. Don't know type IRIP or sleep in peace. Your condolence down below. You don't know that go. Yeah, man. Yeah, so up next, you don't know Spice have a different type of contribution to dancehall reggae itself. So she talk about this SSS triple S thing where she da show up on the IG, so she want people know why.
Talking about it, Kem big up herself. Right there, so. Here you are come talk about I'll cock it too. Believe them things that you the best thing. Make uno go out with yourself. Me's a old man chopping our young girl body. Me is a old woman. Me go come on live and ask Justin one of the times. Say, Justin, when we have sex and you want to go again, when me say to you, if Justin ever tell you no when me say uno laugh till uno cry, I'm gonna do it, you know. Anytime I see Justin again, I go come on live. And me, I gotta say to Justin, my friend is here with me, by the way. Come round me, that come here tell my fans them something real quick. Me I gotta say to Justin, when we have sex one time and you want to go again, what me say? I bet none of you can guess what me say. Who can guess what me say to Justin? Cause no man, I have to ask Justin that question, yeah. Let me see who first can type what them think me say to Justin. When him want to go again. I mean, I say it, you know, Diamond say, what is SSS? Backyard fist. Bonify 876, let me tell him for back in fist. No, I'm going to tell the man that. You don't want more. Jeannie said that. No. You're not in love with good girl. You don't want veggie. And the first 4 rounds did connect. Oh, so you love it. You want fuck it. Alright. Go there, babe. Alright. I think we don't know how we sang that come from. Anyway. No, babe, let me give you a head. No money is, don't tell it. No money is shorty, me leave the head to you. Money is shorty, me leave the head them to you. Because you look like you bad pan it. For me see the things them way you type, me know say you bad pan it. So me I gonna leave it to you. It's a bun, me nah no fear. Bust it up anywhere. Anyway, before my battery dead, me telling you why I come on live. Because I see if me follow you, the battery dead, I'm not get to tell you what I want to tell you. We don't ram too much sometimes. We could just turn back here. Skin out my pum pum. We don't know. Babe, we could get into it. Curdy, baptized. You see your name, Curdy? Your name Curdy that baptized, and you are right, skin out my pum pum, and all of them clean something here. Well, you can't clean up on the mouth. When it's so out of order, who broke on out? My hold so tight it I go bust tonight. You tell him to cool it down first. Sure? Anyway. Alright, so guys, on Friday, you guys are gonna find out what this SSS mean. But for the people in the live, they're gonna know today, because I'm gonna tell you guys today. So the rest of people them will find out for Friday. But I'm gonna put a link in my bio, and I want you guys to stream this song. it's a historic moment for me. So let me just put fun and joke aside and go down in this. This is a very historic moment for me because for me, look all me, for have a song with these legends, for the writing that I go with two legends, it feels good and I have to talk about it. So fun and joke aside, I have to express myself before the song even come out, before the song even release. Me have to relate with my best to them and make them know what I want, because it's an overwhelming feeling and I feel good and I just feel the love already without the song even come home. I just have confidence in that song, yeah. That song yeah make me just ready for go on with myself and I feel good. The SSS meaning to it is Spice, Sean Paul, and Shaggy. Alright? Let me say it again if you never hear. Spice, Shaggy, and Sean Paul. SSS. SSS means Spice, Shaggy, and Sean Paul. Right there, so. So, for all of the people that want going at the garden, I'm going to pick the flowers them, or no going at the garden, go pick the flowers them to me and throw it for me. Because for me, little being the Spice, I'm old breath and I used to barefoot and so, yeah. For me to get these two legends together on one song, on one track, let's talk about it. Because I have to give me my flowers, because I never get this yet. This is a first in history. This is a historic moment. Very iconic. Sometimes we don't celebrate ourselves, but now is the time for us to celebrate ourselves, because oftentimes when we're doing international records, we try to go outside of the genre. Now I'm telling you that we have these two big giants. Yeah. When we talk about big giants, but we go down in it because at the end of the day, the most streamed, the most selling, top selling artists, reggae artists, Bob Marley, Sean Paul, Shaggy, top 3 for years, not never changes. So we have to celebrate them. We have to give them flowers. Yeah, so if I can get the two of them to come together and collab on one song, or go in the garden, go pick up the flowers them, or go in the garden and throw the flowers them, because I got this done for you guys. You've never had it before. You've never had a collaboration like this with the two great big legend them together on one song. Alright? So when I go on in the garden, go pick the flowers them. Lick Old Spice, barefoot Spice, when never used to have no shoes and no clothes. Go in the garden and let me see the flowers them. Thank you. Official Sheen, thank you. Cool It, that's Alicia. Thank you so much. Yeah, Cookie Monster, thank you so much. Who's that? Zazarlene, thank you. Cookie Widwa, that one that got too fast. Kem, thank you so much. Julia Baby 728, thank you. Brittany 9100, thank you for the flowers. TC Rick, RT Rick, thank you so much. Somebody say more. Marisa, thank you so much. Right there, so. Team Blast, big up yourself, my G, because I want thing with you, you never switch, you never sell out. Team Blast, make the people them know so you call me down right through and tell me so you miss me every day. Team Blast, make sure so when I reach back at Jamaica, you have a look at Aki and Starfish breakfast and wait for me, Team Blast. Team Blast, never say I love it like life itself. Team Blast, remember say when me there at Jamaica, I cannot live without you, Adrian. Adrian, remember say you run left me in a gas station and make the car nearly boom up with me, Adrian, remember you tell me say you love me to death, and when the gas I run out of the car, you run out of the car and left me in the car nearly for burn up in the car, Adrian. But I love it same way. But thank you guys for the flowers. The SSS is Sean Paul, Spice, and Shaggy. Big song is coming. The name of the song is called Go Down There. So let me talk about the name of the song. Go Down There, name. And at the end of the day, I know some of mine smutty. Anything you want, go down there, go do, or no go down there, go do. Because me know so no here, go down there, I wanna feel like say when you go down there, if you go down there, go do. So anything you want, go down there, go do, or no go down there, go do it. But when me whine and go down there, me know when me go down there, go do. So anything you want, go down there, go do. You can go and go do what you want to down there. Where do you down there?
Go down there.
What you do when you go down there, me that? Me know what me do. What you do when you whine and go down there? Tell the truth, me that. Don't lie to the people there. Everybody, this is my BFF Mida. We're on the road every day in Atlanta. She takes very good care of me. Because you know me, don't know nowhere, right? So this is Mida. As a matter of fact, it's Dr. Mida. Yeah, big up Dr. Mida. Somebody say, watch your man out ready for big up to Dr. Mida. Dr. Mida have a nice clean product for the vagina for steam out and them something there. Yeah, we'll get into it. But go down there. Yeah, that's the name of the song. I'm excited because I know that my fans are going to be. I've never been so confident about a song. I never feel so good about a song. I never feel so confident for no, so we're locked down for 1 year now. We're not getting happy and ready for wine, and when you hear the beat drop, it come like you want to go crazy. So I'm excited for my fans and I feel good. And when we hear go down there, I know say we're not going to wine and go down there. And it's a drop Friday, April 30th. But I want to play a little piece for you hear it before. Because I like when my best of them hear the things them first. My battery are dead anyway, but I hurry up. On Friday, we're going to celebrate at Cosmopolitan nightclub in Atlanta. We're also going to show a little piece of the video. My besties will see the videos first, of course. Make sure you meet me at Cosmopolitan nightclub on Friday night, 10 p.m. sharp. Don't miss it, Atlanta. I know a lot of people are confused because we're doing a private party that will be filmed on Love and Hip Hop on Friday as well. So it's two separate things. You have to be COVID tested in order to enter the venue for the private party. The public one, anybody can come. Door open 10 p.m. Cosmopolitan nightclub. What Cosmopolitan there?
Decatur.
Decatur. Big up King's Promotion. Yeah. So at 10 p.m. on Friday night, if you are in Atlanta, Cosmopolitan nightclub, meet me.